Hello and welcome to Jewellery Rescue. I'm Kat and I'm a girl on a mission to rescue and recycle the world's unwanted jewellery. So in today's video we're going to be looking at a charity shop mystery jewellery bag and looking to see what treasures we can uncover together. I'll be talking you through some things that you might like to look out for when you're out thrifting for your second-hand jewellery too. So before we get into it, please make sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on my future content. Let's get into it.
Okay, so I've tipped everything out onto the table. This is a real random selection of things, so I'm assuming that it's broken bits that the shop couldn't sell and bits that they've tried to sell and that didn't sell. So we've got a real mix of things in here, so let's dive in. So straight away I can see there's a spoon, not necessarily jewellery, but how sweet. I think I might use that to scoop up some of my smaller beads in bowls because I like to have little dishes around for bowls and things like that. Then we've got some individual beads. These look like little mother of pearl or shell beads. I've definitely used those to make something. And more here. I've got a little stretch bracelet, not much I can do with that unfortunately. I'll see if one of my daughters wants it, or perhaps it will go into a lot of things that are pre-loved. Pretty stretch bracelet here. I think that might be magnetic hematite. But pretty beads nonetheless. Definitely use those. These ones look like gemstones. These main ones here, I can definitely reuse those. I'll make those into earrings probably, most likely. Tag. What's this? Sticky Fingers Cafe London, that's a pin. I can see there are a few pins in here. That's another just plain one. Sylvanian families, oh isn't that sweet? My little one's got a Sylvanian family, so I'll probably keep that for her. There's a little panda. What I'll probably do is pop all of these brooches together and sell them in a lot maybe. So golly. Red Cross Society First Aider. What else have we got in here? A large statement necklace. Not much I can do with that. I'll put that in there. Loved. And again, so this one, these aren't real pearls, they're faux pearls. I'll go into that more in another video in the future, but I can reuse those dangles for something. Look what is attached here. I'm just going to cut that off so that we can have a look at it. That is a stunning earring. It's marked on the back. So you can see that it says K and sterling, so sterling for sterling silver. Do make sure you pop back and watch my recent video on silver marks to learn more about silver marks. That is stunning. Please, please, please let there be a match for this. We'll see if we can find it. I'm going to pop it to one side. There's another spoon from Marbella. What does it say there? Alpaca. So again, I talk about that in my silver video. Alpaca silver is not the same as sterling silver. More beads. More spoons. How cute are they? Don't know what I'm going to do with those. I'm going to decide to have a think about. There's another one of those little pins. Another big statement necklace here. Oh, this is cool. Oh, I've been looking forward to finding one of these at some point. I don't know how we open it. There we go. Okay, so these necklaces, I think this is probably a modern one, but they were popular in the 80s and you could twist the strands to make it how you wanted it and then clip it together at the top. I'll do a bit more research on that. They've got a name, I can't remember what it is. Do let me know in the comments if you know. There's a pretty little crystal one. Nothing special, I can see it's not silver. That'll go in with a pre-loved. What's this one? Hard to tell if that's plastic or bone. It's vintage by the looks of the clasp. That's quite cool. I need to look into that. We'll see what that's made of. Another pin, Metropolitan Railway. Lots of pins in this bag. Another one there. The Nation Gives Thanks, 1995. Oh sweet, look at that little vintage earring. So if that one is on a clip-on back, if I've got another one, I'll pop those onto new hooks probably and put them back together as a pair. Let's see if we can find the other one. Hair clip again. Can't really do much with that one. Excuse me, just having a drink. Oh, that's pretty. This looks like one of those copper bangles. Let's see how it looks. Oh, that's pretty. Can't upcycle that, but cute nonetheless. That'll go with Pre-Loved. Oh, there's another one here. That's a nice one, like a hammered one. And a silver bangle. I can see it's not real silver, but quite pretty nonetheless. Just a little seed bead stretch bracelet. I'll reuse those beads. These stretch bracelets are really easy to make. I've done a video on that, so do have a look back in my older videos if you want to find out how to make those. Now what have we got here? These look like they could be silver. Yep, there's a 925 on the back there, so I could clean those and sterilise those and they'll be good. Good as new. Sorry, I keep knocking the camera stand with my glasses. Another stretchy one. Just going to cut that to untangle it. Another one. This looks like one of those pearl bracelets or necklaces that you tie on, but I can see they're not real pearls, they're just plastic. Oh, it's all one piece. I'll reuse the beads for that from that. It's a little bag of treasures there. We'll come back to that one in a minute. And we've got some more space. More beads I can use. That heart's quite sweet. Look, it's got a little flower on it. There's a polymer clay one, or another one there. Some ceramic, interesting ones. Oh, that's sweet. So this has got a 925 mark on the clasp there. That's just a little clip-on charm. Maybe you'd hang it off the end of a bracelet, perhaps. That's quite sweet. Oops. Another one of these pins. I wonder if something might have used to have been stuck to it and it's come off. A little collection of those going on now. Amy. Oh, I know a little girl called Amy. Perhaps she might like that one. British Red Cross, that's nice. Aha, found the match to that earring. I think they're quite sweet. I'm going to put those onto new hooks for somebody to enjoy. It's a little ring, nothing special. Look what we've got here. Ah, how exciting. So we have a pair, they've both got backs on, to these sterling silver beauties. So they've been inlaid with gemstone by the looks of it, a bit of black onyx, maybe some turquoise. Not sure what that orange is. I think those are the find of the bag so far. They're absolutely stunning. Very excited to get those cleaned up. Right, let's see if we can top that hair clip. Oh, look, he's sweet. There's another little pin. Just a key ring. Perhaps I can reuse the ring there. Cute little beads there. I'll definitely cut those off. It's such a shame, these things that are made on cord, they never really last. May just throw away jewellery, unfortunately, as a lot of this stuff is. What's this one here? That's another just sort of rubbish earring, but I will reuse that star because that's quite cute. It's a bracelet. Probably reuse these rings to make some earrings. That glass bead there. Now what are these? Oh, these are gemstone chips. These unusually shaped ones, so I can reuse those for sure. It's like a lariat style necklace, one that you just sort of do up around your neck like a scarf, or you know, tie it on, that sort of style. More seed beads. Pearl clip-on earring. That looks like it could be silver. Let's see if it's magnetic. Not magnetic. Doesn't necessarily mean it's silver, but a sign that it could be. I'll have a look at that, see if I can see any marks on it. Statement piece. Quite sweet, isn't it, for the summer? Somebody might like that. Little ball chain bracelet. Again, that will go into pre-loved. This one, perhaps I might be able to use these spacer beads. They're nice, those little red ones. Cut that one up. Get rid of that. Okay. Oh, I missed this one. Big wooden bangle. That's quite nice for the summer. Obviously can't upcycle that, but somebody might like that pre-loved. Another hairpin. Okay, we've got a big bag and a smaller bag. Should we save the smaller bag? Have a look in this big one. Another one of these pins. I don't know what they're all about. Right, let's see what we've got in here. Resin or plastic bangle. Oh, these are some pretty beads. Definitely do something with those. Quite a nice necklace, actually. That one off. Oh, what have we got here? That is a beautiful amber earring. I can see already it's on sterling silver. There must be a mark on there somewhere. Yeah, on the earring back there. I wonder if we've got a mate for that one. Let's leave it there for now. Stretchy bracelet to look like a Links of London one, but it's not. Cut that one off. It's in a bit of bad shape. Oh, these are pretty. Little enamel earrings with flowers on. You can see those. They're nice. Oh, it looks like they've got the silver backs as well. Yep, there's a 925 on there. Brilliant, we found some silver, that's good. Charmology. This is sad, look, these plated rings have all just discoloured. But I can cut that up and take these lovely amethyst beads off and reuse those for something else. Again, just more plastic ones. I'll cut those up. Oh, they'll need quite a good clean. Don't know what somebody's been doing in that. A bit grim, we'll clean that one up. Aha, is this the pair? Yes. So we've got a pair of these clip-on pearls. Don't think those are real pearls either. But we'll see, I'll look at them through the loop. This is an interesting pendant. It's made to look like crochet, but it's plastic. I'll cut that up and reuse the bits off there. Cheap pre-loved one. This one I could cut the beads off, it'd be quite time consuming to get them all off, but I could reuse those. Some more faux pearls, that looks like it could be a vintage one, just from the style of the clasp. Quite classy. Some bangles. What's this? Oh, that's quite pretty. See, this is another example of the cord ones. They go really grim, so that will obviously have to go, but I can reuse this and I'll make that into a new pendant. Oh, sadly not seeing a pair to that lovely amber stud, but we'll keep looking. There's another one of those plastic ones. Okay, let's have a look in this little bag and see what we've got here. Okay, oh, I've got a bit of bonus hair on that one. There's a pair of very sparkly earrings that could go onto new hooks. These are pretty, these gemstone ones. Just looking to see if there's a mark on those. They're not magnetic. I think that they are probably silver, but again, I'll look for marks a bit closer up. And they're pretty. I'd say they're probably 90s vintage. They could easily go on new hooks, like those. Oh, some sparkly numbers. Not really much I can do with those. Somebody might like them pre-loved. Now that looks silver, but doesn't have a silver back on it, mind you. There's its mate. It's got a little bit of mother of pearl, and then it has little marker seats around the outside, but sadly it's lost a few. What a shame, they're so pretty. Still, I will clean those up and get some new backs for them. I think they'll clean quite nicely. This one's lost more of its stones. In fact, I think it's lost all of its stones. What a shame. Some more sparklies. Oh look, there's another pair of these pearls. Or faux pearls. Oh yeah, they're definitely not on silver. Might be able to reuse that star. They're nothing special. These beads I can take off for something else. There's the pair to the star. Okay. What have I seen? That's just costume, although it looks like it could be a silver hook. Nope. Definitely magnetic. That's a pretty one. Let's see if that's magnetic. Nope. Oops. Caught another one there. That's not magnetic, and we have its friend, so I will look to see if there's a silver mark on those. I think I probably will find one. And I think they might be little freshwater pearls. Oh, we've done quite well out of this bag, I reckon. That's another 95. Little stud. Oh, and there's its friend. Wow. Faux pearls, faux diamonds. What are these? Costume jewellery. Not magnetic, but I don't think that's anything special. I will have a look at those through the loop just in case, but I don't think they're anything special. Those are pretty. Just costume, but pretty again. And these ones have got completely squashed on the back. Oh look, classic 80s. Wow, I think we've done pretty well out of this bag. My favourites are these beauties. And probably these ones here. Let me know in the comments what were your favourites, and if you spotted any treasure that you think I missed, if you've got any ideas about what I could do with any of them. And I hope you enjoyed this little treasure hunt. If you'd like to see more, please do let me know in the comments. Do pop over to the channel and give me a subscribe as well so that you can see future content, and I'll see you there. Bye.